Hello, fellow souls. I am Anthony Santoro. Today's talk is on self-talk. So join me and my dog Hunter as we stroll through some nature. What an amazing concept that we have the privilege of knowing. To live in a physical dimension. To see, hear, touch, feel. Know that what is physical, and to know that we are also spiritual. Yesterday, I had a talk with somebody. They believe that they have a soul, but they did not know that they could talk to their soul. The analogy we took away from it: you own an airplane, and you're a pilot. You have the money to fuel the plane and fly the plane. And of course, the experience, you can even hire a pilot. There's somewhere you would like to go, and flying is the best option. But you don't want to go on a commercial airline. Why would you want to go on a commercial airline when you own your own plane? So I said to this person, well, then go. And this person turned around and says, I'm not going on a commercial airline. The restrictions and the crowded people and the security. And I'm like, hold on, you own your own plane and you know how to fly it. Oh no, my plane I could never use. It's true. Many people feel that their soul is something that they have stored away in this warehouse. Shh, leave it alone. So we find ourselves here in the physical dimension with the understanding that we are more than just physical. We're also spiritual. And having this ability of our soul, which is the pureness of who we are, the connection to that of our higher self, integrated into the physical, utilizing its resources, its essence and understanding and knowledge and pureness of heart, pureness of soul. When you focus on this, you begin to generate a momentum of thoughts. When you focus on thoughts that you truly desire, you begin to focus on thoughts that you truly desire. One after another, after another. And as you become a deliberate thinker, a selection of your thoughts, you begin to notice that things in your life start reflecting that which you focus on. And the more and the more and the more you focus on that which you truly desire, you begin to realize that the spiritual world communicates through vibration. Not by stories or secret incantations or sit in certain yoga positions for extended period of time. Simply by vibration. Take a deep breath in through your nose and easily, effortlessly exhale through your mouth. It's easy to be in line with my higher self. It's easy to focus on things that I truly desire. It's easy to flow the momentum of the law of attraction that I created. It's easy to create that which I desire. It's easy to see my thoughts manifestate all around me. It's easy. Life is easy. Life is easy. Everything is easy. The more easy of a thought you hold, the easier it is to hold that thought. I am abundance. Abundance. What a great focus of thought. Out of all the things you could choose to focus, choosing abundance is an excellent choice of focus. Abundance wealth, abundance air, abundance leaves, abundance trees, abundance water. Aligning my physical and spiritual. Abundance in the here and now. Abundance of freedom. Abundance is free. I am free. I am free to choose the life that I choose. I am blessed, and I know it starts with vibration. It's all vibration. Freedom. Let's focus on freedom. Just freedom. No story. Freedom is easy. Freedom is easy. Freedom of thought, clarity of mind. It's free. I am free. Free to choose the thoughts that I desire. I am free to create in the here and now the thoughts in which I vibrate. I am free to align with those of like mind. And I am free to receive those of like mind who vibrate with me. I am free. Automatically. It just is. I am free to do the things that I desire to do. I am free to focus on that which I choose. What are some vibrations that you choose to focus on now that you are so free to choose any thought you desire? Ask yourself, what do I choose to focus on right now that I am free? Oh, right now I'm getting in my head, love, love, love. I keep hearing love. The many dimensions of love. Love for a favorite food. Love for a favorite place on the planet to be. Intimacy of love. Kindness of love. Freedom to love unconditionally. Feel the vibration of love. No story, just the essence and vibration of love. And as you vibrate on the feeling, the vibration of love, know your spirit guide, your soul team, your soul friend, your soul mate, your guardian angel, your archangel, those of higher vibration who have your best interests are all around and attracting to you. You know why? Your soul is a party soul. That is, your soul vibrates with like thought souls. Vibrate and enjoy unconditional love. You are a pure being of love, unconditional love, unconditional thoughts, love. I am peace. I am the vibration of peace. I am love. I am the vibration of love. I am harmony. I am the vibration of harmony. Harmony, I am. Love, I am. Peace, I am. As you feel deliberately and choose your thoughts, this attraction, some call it the law of attraction. Some say there are laws, and some say there are keys. But there are no rules in spiritual thought. Rules are created to control. But then what is the difference between a law and a rule? Laws sound like they're meant to control. Let's attune to our soul. Let's find out this answer. Laws are a guideline, a sort of a roadmap. Come this way if you desire this, for it is law. Law is absolute. It is what it is. Rules, pre-thought out and regulated, and provide you with consequences if you do not follow. When you're free to choose, which we all are, some deliberately choose, some conditionally choose. The law of attraction agrees with you. The law of attraction agrees with your vibrations. It does not read the story, feels and provides. For that is law. A rule you gotta follow. You gotta do this, this, and this, and then you can have this. But if you don't do this, this, and this, then you're gonna have the consequences. The law of attraction does not provide you with consequences. It provides you with whatever you focus on, deliberately or undeliberately. That's the difference between a law and a rule. There are keys along the journey. A key is meant to either unlock a door or is a symbol of, haha, there's the answer. It has now been opened for me. The solution is free-flowing. The key to understanding the law of attraction is to understand that vibration is the language of the law of attraction. Thought creates vibrations. Vibrations, metaphorically, help the momentum of the law of attraction to provide to you in the physical that which you desire. A desire with no resistance. That's a key. No resistance. Which means you fully accept and believe that which you desire. You have it now. You feel it now. You know it now. You understand it now. And you're like, oh, come on, that's a lot of BS. Come on now. I'm sitting here and blah, 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 blah. That's conditional-based thinking. You're sitting where you are because of thought. That's a key. When you understand you are where you are, and you can only improve, that's a key to understanding that thought creates. Now, a rule might be you have to say some type of penance about a thought you harbor that you do not desire. Your soul does not request penance or forgiveness or solitude or subservience, some type of trial and tribulation to be forgiven by thyself for thinking such thoughts. Your soul is focused on unconditional love, the vibration in which you vibrate. Your soul says, alrighty then, let's go. Some people find that to be, I thought my soul would help me stop what I'm thinking, thoughts I don't desire. What am I going to do now, since I am the creator of who I am? Start creating that which you desire. And when a thought appears and within your thoughts that you do not desire, stop thinking it. Think the opposite. Focus on something else. Do something else. Do something to where you're not focused on what you truly do not desire. The more and the more and the more and the more you focus on what you truly do desire, you build the momentum for that. So that which you don't desire, you just don't focus on anymore. The vibration becomes less to neutral, to none. There's a saying, forgive and forget. Guess what? Somebody wronged you, I forgive you. And you often hear, but I'll never forget it. And the reason for that is it's misguided. Forgive and forget is you, talking to you. Forgive myself for harboring such thoughts. I do not deliberately want to manifestate this in my life. And the forgetting is the forgetting of the energy. You forgive yourself for thinking the thought, perhaps the momentum of that thought that you're thinking that you truly do not desire is strong and powerful. The momentum is great. Your mind tells you, you must live this way. Don't you question it. Don't you question your mind. Don't you understand that last year and the year before and every year before that you suffered this negative thought? So how could you absolutely think you could change it since you have been experiencing it? If I stop giving it energy, you start giving energy to what you desire, so you create the momentum of what you desire, and the momentum of that what you desire will move you into a pier within your life. Perhaps subtle changes, maybe even after the manifestation appears, you recognize it. It's in the recognition, it's in the understanding, it's in the deliberate thinking, it's knowing, oh, I'm going to think a thought that I truly desire. That is progress. It's in the feeling of the thought. The past is over. The future has not yet arrived. So all we truly ever have is the here and now. As soon as we say now, here is the paradigm, the quagmire of thought. Since my thoughts create, And this creation technically is in the future. However, there is no future. There's only here and now. So as my thoughts are creating in the here and now, yet as soon as I say, it becomes past. It vibrates in the future. Oh. So focus on this in regards to the past, present, and future of thought creation. The past holds within you vibrations. Some are great, some are not. Some are neutral. Some are great, and some are not. And some are neutral. And as you become a selective thinker and know that your thoughts create vibrations, and your vibrations create a momentum, and this momentum activates the law of attraction to bring forth that which you truly desire, you now can focus on past thoughts and build on them. Or you cannot give energy to past thoughts that you really don't want to build on. Or you can focus right now, in the here and now. Focus on what you truly desire, instead of dissecting which you have dissected before in the past. We are spiritual, which means we are always evolving, which means we are always growing, which means we are always moving forward. When you focus on the now, you create now. You build the momentum of thought over and over and over. Abundance. Abundance of unconditional love. I am abundance of unconditional love. It feels good to feel good. And I notice others around me feel good. They just feel good. They just do. For they feel the energy of unconditional love when they're around me and think about me. I am not creating any thoughts for anyone, for we are all responsible for our own thoughts and actions. I am just a receptive, open channel of the vibration of unconditional love. Is that not wonderful? You begin to see Earth and life and plants, friends, lovers, neighbors and acquaintances and people you just pass along the way. And you begin to see more of a vibrant glow as unconditional thinker. You see their souls. And they see yours. And for those who are not ready, they just feel good. And for those who are vibrationally in tune, see your soul as pure, unconditional love as you see theirs. As you learn to take responsibility that all of your thoughts are your choices, you begin to realize that you choose, you create, and you attract. We are creators. We are attractors. We are designers, builders, manifestators, growers, lovers. We are pure of heart, spiritual in a physical dimension. One of the most powerful forces in the universe, and we are that. Unconditional love. Abundance. Abundance thought. Abundance growth. Abundance air, abundance leaves, abundance trees, abundance leaves. I am abundance. I am creation of thought, for I am God's manifestation. The freedom to choose. Freedom to choose a thought that I choose to think. Freedom to know that the thoughts that I choose create that in my life. Free to choose the thoughts that create my desires to appear before me. What a beautiful understanding it is. As you feel the vibration of unconditional thought, you vibrate and harmonize unconditional. The cells in your body begin to reflect this, for we are vibrational beings, and for those who understand this, create the vibrations of their choice by deliberately thinking the thoughts and desires that they choose, which means the reflection of their thoughts. Their life around them, the world, the people, context, influences reflect this automatically. It is the law of attraction. Do not judge yourself. Do not take notes. Do not compare. Do not blah, blah, blah. Do not do any of that. Do not be impatient as you wait upon your desires to come to you. No. That's adding a story. Vibration and stories create different results. Vibration creates your desires to bring forth to you in the physical here and now. Stories are just entertaining. So understand vibration is an understanding of clarity of mind. No opposition of thought, because there is no energy given to opposition of thought. Therefore, there is no opposite of thought. Even saying opposition of thought doesn't create opposition of thought. Only the vibration of opposite of thought creates opposite of thought. So when you're not vibrating on it, you're not creating it. You can think about it. You really are intelligent. You can recognize. Oh, it's 150 degrees out here. I'll pretend I'm under air conditioning. Oh, how cool it feels. Come on. You are an intelligent human being. Now, perhaps there are masters of the Far East who can change their body temperature. All by thought. And it does make sense. The circumstances in your physicalness must be recognized and preserved. Hey, you over there. I see you sitting on the bridge over there, and it looks like there's a lot of hungry crocodiles under it. And that bridge looks really like it's breaking. You should get off of it. And they say, that's okay. I'm going to focus on floating. On their way down, I say to them, enjoy floating. Well, you get the point. We are responsible for our actions. In a physicalness, in a spiritual realm, in the law of attraction, we are responsible for our vibrations. In the physical world, there are those rules. Now remember what we said about rules and consequences. So you are an intelligent human being. That bridge is going to collapse. And as an intelligent human being, why am I on this bridge in the first place? Let's get out of here. Let's go. That's an intelligent human being utilizing the vibration of harmony, love, peace. Well, if you were vibrating all that, then why would you be on that bridge in the first place? Oh, taking notes? Seeing if you're truly worthy? Because you find yourself in a situation that just may not be adequately safe. So you're going to sit there and say, well, now I have to figure out what thoughts I thought that created me to be on this bridge. No, you don't. You just need to get your butt off the bridge and move on and be grateful and thankful. It's the story. I know, she was a lovely lady, but it's the story of a flood and two people are up on their roof. It's dark out and you can hear the water and you can feel the water and they're all the way up on the roof and the sun starts coming up and the whole time they're praying, God, God save us, God save us, God save us, God save us. Brr, 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 brr. Here comes a boat. Hey, you guys need help? No, God's gonna save us. Come on, God, save us. Brr, 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 brr. Yo, come on, get on the boat. No, God's gonna save us. Brr, 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 brr. God, hi. I thought you were gonna save us. I did. I sent 2 of my thought creations on a boat to pick you up off the roof. But you chose not to get on it. But God, we were waiting for you. I am all in all, through all in all, am all. Who do you think was there with the boat? So don't challenge yourself. Just focus on that which you truly desire in the here and now. And feel the vibrations now. And when you recognize you're not feeling a vibration that you truly do not want to feel, then start feeling the vibration that you truly do want to feel. No story, no attachment, no nothing, just the vibration. You know how I know I'm going to feel in a few moments from now? It's exactly how I feel right now. That's how I know how I'm going to feel in a few moments from now. It's that easy. It's that simple. And it is easy. The more you focus on that which you truly desire, the more focus on it, it becomes easy. It becomes repetitive. It becomes automatic. It becomes your regurgitation of thought effortlessly. Sometimes we want to feel cuddled, a connection. We are all in all, through all, spirit guide, soul team, all that great stuff. But what about physicalness? Another human. For compassion, perhaps. How about focusing on that which you desire? Desire to be co-creating, cohabitating, coexisting with other human beings. This is just human, for we are human. It is normal. And it is easy and fun. It is ecstasy, watching our thoughts create. A key is to always stay true fast on your thoughts. For the moment you focus on lack, or the reason why you need, you start focusing on that which you do not desire. So focus on what you truly desire all the time. And those of like mind are attracted, flock together. No story, no details. Just know. We are always growing. We are always evolving. It's never going to be enough, and it never will be. So as your desires manifest, you grow. Ask more questions. Receive solutions. Ask refined questions. And you keep growing and expanding and vibrating that which you desire. That's the fun. That's the fun. To have your desire show up before you. Simple manifestation to big manifestation as you watch it come to you on your journey. Refined thinking after refined thinking, solutions become more and more refined. Questions become more and more refined. Solutions become more and more easy and in fun ways. We ponder the questions and we ponder the answers. And in this pondering, we are enjoying the creation. Always knowing I am one with my soul. I am one with vibrational thought, God's thoughts. Freedom to choose. Oh, what a precious, precious jewel. Freedom to choose every thought I desire. Freedom to feel every desire I desire to feel. And feeling this in the here and now. I enjoy knowing that my thoughts create me. Clarity of mind, clear focus. To appear before me and learning the lessons along the way and refining the questions along the way. Always creating, always receiving on a consistent, constant basis. Free-flowing channel of that which I desire. An open receptive channel to the vibrations are welcomed. As I enjoy the journey, I am always here. In the here and now. No scorekeeping. Just feel. Constantly feel that which you desire. As here and now. In your hands from your thoughts. No record keeping. Just feel happy. Just to feel happy. Spontaneously feel happy. Right now, I am happy. I am happy and I have the freedom to be happy. Feel this freedom of happiness. What a great freedom that is, to feel happy because you choose to feel happy. No story, no explanation. You choose to focus your thoughts and desires on happiness. And happiness chose to focus on you. Your desires desire you. Happiness desires me, and I desire happiness. One vibration, harmony, vibrating. safety. Every step I take is in the right direction to be forth, which I truly desire. Safety as I move about my day, as I move about my life, as I move about my thoughts. I move in harmony of safety. Everything goes my way. Everything goes my way. Everything goes my way. I am one unconditional love. I am connected to my higher self. My vibrations draw and attract those of like mind, those who desire to learn. For those who are seeking, you shall find. You shall find as you seek along your journey, for we are all one thought, God's mind, one thought. For we are infinite in wisdom and power and love. The most powerful force in the universe, I am. Come along with me, fellow souls. Let's journey together. For it's always my great pleasure to journey along with you, fellow souls. Focus on love, unconditional love. And that is all. I am Anthony Santoro, a fellow soul. Journey along life with you, fellow souls. I look forward to the next time we gather together. Peace.